Hi guys, I hope you all are doing really well and taking ample care of yourself along with your family members. So guys, I'm getting some questions about GC key account. So I thought of making a video so that I can discuss some very important and common points for sure. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I was asked some questions about GC key. So basically, in many cases, what happens like first you apply through an agent, and later on, due to whatever reason, maybe it's your second application, extension application, anything you want to apply on your own because you gain some sort of confidence or you don't want to go through an agent or consultant. In other cases, what happens is like you had applied for an application and you have forgotten your credentials. So a common point comes into the mind that can you have another GCK account? Uh, can you submit two different applications from two different GCK accounts? The answer is yes. If you check IRCC site about GCK accounts, in the common question area, you are going to find information like if you have forgotten your password, you can retrieve it by clicking on the link forgot password and going through the security questions. But what if you have forgotten your username? You're going to create a new account altogether. But yes, even in the new account, don't think that creating a GC account key account is different and filing a visa application is different. Don't think that if you had a refusal, let's say for a visitor visa from GC key account 1, so if you create a new account GC key 2, IRCC will not link the applications. No, that's not the case. IRCC tracks every person through UCI, unique client identifier, that picks up your information, your photo, everything. I don't know about in their computer screen what it comes, but using UCI you can be tracked. It is unique for each client and it stays the same regardless of the application you file. Let it be visitor visa, then visitor visa extension, then work permit, study permit, any PR, citizenship, whatever you file, your UCI stands there. And it's not a mandatory field. That means even if you don't write it in the application, they are going to put your name and other details in the system and pull it out. So just don't think that if you have applied and if you have got a refusal from GCK account and if you don't declare it into the application that you filed from GCK 2 account, it's going to be considered a case of misrepresentation. So don't misrepresent yourself, because if you do that, you're gone. If they find you out, you're gone. So don't try to be over smart, be honest. That is the only way you can uh, have a good immigration file and history. All right guys, so I think I answered. You can have, like, if you have lost one account, you can create a new account and you can proceed from there. So that really helps in I think that really helps you if you are in this situation. So thanks for watching.